Today's video is not going to be overly exciting because I'm not feeling 100% today, and I haven't been actually feeling 100% for a couple of days now, so today I just thought I would, you know, just do something a little bit simpler and a little bit easier, and yeah, just to my pace right now. So yeah, I did this picture the other night. It's of a really creepy llama, so today is just going to be about outlining the llama and colouring him in, and pretty much just designing another creepy character. So that's pretty much it. Sorry for not being my weird self. Hashtag having an off day. I wanted to do a llama, but I also wanted to do something weird as well. So this is just my creepy llama. Alright, now we're ready for the watercolor. Now, what colours to make him? Sort of not sure. I'm sort of just feeling like a real creamy, just off yellow with a bit of green. That's what I'm thinking. again. And that is my version of a llama. That's my llama. Hashtag gory llama. This is all I really felt like doing today. Sorry I didn't feel like talking too much. I was sort of just not in a talkative mood. This is what my brain has come up with designing a llama. Alright, well I'm out of here. Hopefully I'll feel a little bit better in the next video. I've got a lot of ideas, you know, coming for future videos. I'm just waiting on stuff to be sent in the mail and stuff like that. But yeah, there's gonna be days where I don't feel like drawing, and to be honest with you, people who say that you should draw every day, like it's entirely up to you. Like if I drew every day, I think it would drive me absolutely batshit crazy. I can't draw every day as much as I love it. You just, you know, do what makes you happy. If you want to draw every day, that's fine. But, you know, I guarantee that you'll probably get sick of it eventually. But that just depends on how much you really love it. Like, I really love this, I'm passionate about it, but I can't draw every day, so we're all different. We're all different. Alright, well I'm out of here. Bye.